Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to promote Fiverr gigs on LinkedIn. So I just get this account as the sample account or as an example. So now I am on my LinkedIn account. If you don't have an LinkedIn account, just create one account for you. It's totally free and really easy to create an account. After you create that account, enter all details related to your Fiverr account. As example, in this Fiverr account, the tagline is social media manager, so you can add the same tagline to here and add your real name to your LinkedIn account. Then you can add same profile picture to your LinkedIn account. Also, when you add the profile picture,
just add the headshot to your LinkedIn account and Fiverr account. After that, you can add this description to about section of your LinkedIn profile. Also, you can increase the content and add some keywords to make your LinkedIn profile
SEO friendly. After that, you can add all of your gigs to featured section. So in this featured section, you can click this plus icon and add all of your links of Fiverr gig. When you link your Fiverr gig with your LinkedIn account, if someone check your LinkedIn profile, that person will able to redirect to Fiverr via LinkedIn platform. After that, you have to build your network. To do that, you can find people similar to your niche. In this case, it's social media managed niche. So in LinkedIn, you can find lot of companies and people who have social media accounts, business social media accounts. That means you can send connection request to those people and add them to your network. After that, you have to share content. So you have to create content related to social media managing and related to social media, then share content on your profile. If you share quality content, people will react with those content and your content will also appear to connections of those people who reacted with your content. So that will help you to get more engagement and more reach to your content. Then you have to engage with other people's content. As example, if you interested in social media managing, you can find lot of content related to social media management. Just search those terms on here and you will see lot of posts. If you go to post, you can see those type of content. Also there has some job opportunities. So you can basically react to those content and they will definitely check your content, and if they interested in your post, they will also react to your content. So this is the simple way to gain traffic to your Fiverr account. Also in your profile you can add experiences like this. So in here you can link your Fiverr account, and when you share valuable content related to your niche, people will DM to you and request about your service. So this is a simple and effective way to gain traffic to your Fiverr account and make some sales. If you do this method, you have to be patient, because if you try to find quality leads or try to find sales within 1-2 months, that will not possible. You have to organically build your brand on LinkedIn, and when you share quality content, people will become your followers and they will help you to increase your brand awareness or increase your traffic of Fiverr profile. So if you have any kind of questions about this method, just let me know and I will see you in next time.